What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is renting resources, like storage space or CPU cycles, on another company's computers. You only pay for what you use. The company providing these services is referred to as a cloud provider. Some example providers are Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. The cloud provider is responsible for the physical hardware required to execute your work, and for keeping it up to date. The computing services offered tend to vary by cloud provider. However, typically they include compute power, such as Linux servers or web applications; storage, such as files and databases; networking, such as secure connections between the cloud provider and your company; analytics, such as visualizing telemetry and performance data. The goal of cloud computing is to make running a business easier and more efficient, whether it's a small startup or a large enterprise. Every business is unique and has different needs. To meet those needs, cloud computing providers offer a wide range of services. Hope you learned what is cloud computing. Now play the next audio file to learn principles of cloud computing.